How sweet it is, our Pontchartrain Conservancy camera showing us that it's mostly clear. Beautiful, beautiful late afternoon, early evening right along the lake. As a matter of fact, it's a beautiful evening for about 98% of us. One exception, we have one thunderstorm that's affecting the North Shore, the extreme North Shore. Let's zoom in. Kentwood, you're getting a little bit of that rain right now. Tangipahoa Ho, same thing. Franklinton, in the next 20 minutes. Probably a passing shower, isolated thunderstorm for you. Everyone else, though, is dry, and I think tomorrow we're going to go ahead and set a new record. The old record is 83 back in 2019. I think we're going to be in that ballpark. As a matter of fact, I forecast 84 degrees for tomorrow. Look at how warm we are right now. We're not going to set a new record today. The record today is 88, set like 100 years ago. 78 in Hammond, 84 current temperature in Bogalusa. Although Bogalusa, you may be seeing that temperature come down a little bit as that shower passes close to you in the next 45 minutes. 82 officially at the airport with a dew point way up there at 69. South-southeasterly wind at about 14. That breeze making it feel maybe a little more comfortable. Still have some rain in the state, but it's all well to the north of us. We had a stationary front that was hanging around, the same front that helped to bring us the rain yesterday. Well, that front has now moved to the north, and the thing that dominates our weather right now is high pressure out to the east, bringing us that southerly wind. Now, the atmosphere is still very, very humid, and that humid air is going to be the fuel for showers and thunderstorms for us Wednesday night, Thursday morning. But I think this system is very well timed. Let's go ahead and start first thing tomorrow morning. We will have a little bit of fog here on the North Shore. Should not be a big deal. Do not anticipate any sort of a dense fog advisory. We start with temperatures right around 70 degrees first thing in the morning. Looks like it's going to be a mainly dry afternoon. High temperature making it to the low, maybe even mid-80s in a couple of spots. We'll see a decent amount of sunshine in the morning and afternoon. Then the clouds are going to start to get a little bit thicker for us. Wednesday morning, too breezy, I think, for any sort of real fog. If we have any, should be very patchy as well. But then we're going to be tracking a cold front. Wednesday, still looking mainly dry, high temperature, low 80s. But look what happens Wednesday night. And this is why I say this is a well-timed system, because 9 o'clock Wednesday, here we are. Showers, numerous thunderstorms, maybe even one of the storms on the strong side. But 9 o'clock to midnight, that's when the showers and thunderstorms coming in. Obviously, most of us are going to be inside, the front to the west, moving through during the early morning hours. And as we get to about 3, 4 in the morning, looks like most of the rain should be done. First thing in the morning on Thursday, we start to see that wind shift, and then the cooler air, actually I can call it colder air because I think it's going to be cold Friday morning on the North Shore. That's when it's going to start to move in, late Thursday into Friday. Forecast for tonight, partly cloudy, warm, muggy, little patchy fog mainly on the North Shore. Temperatures in the upper 60s, close to 70 degrees. Tomorrow, partly sunny once we get rid of that patchy fog. If we get to 84, we set the new record, and I think that's just about where we're going to be. Weather impact Wednesday night into Thursday morning. I really think most of the rain is going to be falling during the late night and early morning hours. That's why I have 80% in the middle there between Wednesday and Thursday. So weather impact because of the possibility one of those storms could be on the strong side. But look at that, we're getting back down into the 30s on the North Shore Friday morning. But the warming trend just in time for all the good stuff happening this weekend. 77 Saturday, 80 on Sunday. WDSU, first warning weather.